Okay guys, so we got another great product here for you. This is our 12-volt jump pack. So really a multi-use jump pack. This can start completely dead batteries, whether it's a vehicle, a diesel. 4,000 amp peak current going through this. This is going to start equipment for you, diesel, and it also goes to 20 below. So something perfect for us here in the winter. I know a lot of people's vehicles die in the winter. The batteries just can't hold up to the cold. This will jumpstart a completely bone dead battery to get you where you need to go. It also has a lot more functions. Right here, you can charge our electronics. So this is something you can take with you camping. It's very portable, very easy to use. You can charge your electronic devices. It can run a fan. But we're gonna go ahead and get this box open and show you, break down this kit for you. So it's pretty nice. It comes just well packed, just like that. Just a very convenient small case to hold, carry with you, put it in your vehicle, kind of stow it away. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Nice, very hard case it comes with. And this is our pack here. So as you can see, very small. That's it. That's your jump pack right there. Comes with a handle. Kind of looks like a little mini radio, but lots of features here. And we'll go ahead and set that down and we'll break open the other side here. We have all of our accessories it comes with. So it has a manual. It has a manual to explain all the other functions you can do with this jump pack. So that's nice. What else we have in here? We have a USB-C charging cord. You can recharge this battery pack. And then we have our adapter here for jump starting our batteries. And this right here, this plug, right here, goes right there on the side. So nice cap. You can go ahead and plug that in like that. You can turn the power on. And you can see the battery life. So right now it's at 83%. And it also goes through there. And there's our other USB-C, USB for charging other items. And then this is the plug for charging the battery pack itself. It also comes with your cigarette lighter adapter, so you can charge this with your vehicle. If you use this on the road, or you use this to help a friend, and now the battery pack itself is dead and you want to recharge it, you can charge it while you're operating your vehicle, so that way it's ready to go for the next time. Here as well, we have a USB-C with a USB other end on that one. So yeah guys, like I said, you can go through, you can recharge a battery with this if you have time, or say you don't have time, you're in a hurry. It has a emergency jump mode, which will jump a dead battery immediately. Alright guys, so just another feature this has, I wanted to point out on the side here, it has a light. So right there's your LED light button. So it acts as a work light too, so you can see maybe it's dark or whatever, and then it also acts as a strobe light. Say you're stuck somewhere, you need to get someone's attention. It has a strobe light feature as well to get someone's attention to come help you. So just wanted to walk through the two things when we jump our battery here. Sometimes when you're gonna need to jump your battery, say your battery isn't completely dead, but it just doesn't have enough power to start the vehicle. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna connect our jumpers back here. We're gonna turn this on. Make sure we have over 30% battery in our pack here. If it doesn't have 30% battery, there's a likelihood of it not doing a proper jump start for your battery. So you always want to make sure it's over 30%. Once we've verified it's over 30%, we're going to connect our positive to our positive and our negative to our negative battery. Hit the jump button and start our vehicle. That'll initiate the jump start for a slightly dead battery. The nice thing about this jump pack is you can jump a completely dead battery. Say the battery is bone dead, doesn't have any juice in it. You can do the same thing. We're going to turn this on, make sure our battery percentage is over 30%. Connect our jumper cables here. And for the hard start, we're going to hold this jump button down for 3 seconds, and that's going to initiate the hard start. And that's going to allow us to jump start a vehicle for a completely bone dead battery. So just a nice feature that this has. I know some of them don't come with that. They only have enough juice to help start your vehicle if the battery is kind of dead. But not with this one. We have 2 different features: completely bone dead battery or a slightly dead battery that just can't start the vehicle and you need to help it out a little bit. So now you see it is on. It's telling me it's ready. I connected both of my cables to the battery here for my piece of equipment. It's telling me it's ready to jump. So I'm going to hit the jump button. You can see this piece of equipment has been sitting here for a very long time. Took it a little bit more to get the gas flowing through, but you can see what this battery powered jump pack does for this, my skid steer here. The battery was completely bone dead, and immediately it allowed me to turn it over, and it allowed me to turn it over quite a bit just to get the engine going. Very great product, guys. Go ahead and get yourself one of these today.